Welcome once again students to the platform of YouTube channel, and the topic for the day is balance sheet from the chapter not for profit organization. We have already discussed the receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account. The last we will discuss, that is our balance sheet. Okay, so what is balance sheet? Balance sheet is prepared by not for profit organization. For what purpose? Purpose for ascertaining the final position of the organization. Okay, so you can write, it is prepared right class, it is prepared to ascertain or for ascertaining the financial position of the organization, for financial position of the organization. ओके, मीन्स बैलेंस शीट हम लोग क्यों बनाते हैं? बैलेंस शीट हम लोग इसलिए बनाते हैं ताकि कंपनी का फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन के बारे में हमको पता चल सके, ठीक है, या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन के बारे में पता चल सके। ओके, और सेकंड पॉइंट आप क्या लिख सकते हो, कैसे इसको बनाया जाएगा? सो द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द बैलेंस शीट, राइट क्लास, द preparation of the balance sheet, the preparation of balance sheet is on the same pattern, is on the same pattern, is on the same pattern is on the same pattern as that of business entity, as that of business, as that of business entities, as that of business entities. What does it mean? It means we are preparing the balance sheet in the same manner what we used to do in the business entity, right class? जिस तरीके से बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हम लोग बैलेंस शीट को बनाते थे, उसी तरीके से हम लोग इसको बनाएंगे। पॉइंट नंबर थर्ड, it shows assets and liabilities at the end of the year. Okay, to show assets, okay, and liabilities at the end of the year, at the end of the year, right? With so assets, where it will be shown? Assets will be shown on the right hand side, that we know very well. So our next point will be assets will be shown on the left hand side and liabilities will be shown, and liabilities will be shown on the right hand side. Okay, on the right hand side, right? Point number 5, which is very important, there will be what? There will be capital fund. There will be capital fund in place of capital. In place of capital. I hope these points are very easy. While reading, you can understand very well. Okay, let me once again tell you whatever we have written over here. First of all, it says that to ascertain the financial position of the company, or to know the financial position of the company, we are preparing the balance sheet. Okay, and what we used to prepare in our business entity, in the same pattern we are preparing it. Okay, again it will include your assets and liabilities. Okay, your assets will appear on the left hand side and your liability will appear on the right hand side, right bachcho? I hope these points are clear to you. Okay, and we will write capital fund. We don't use the word capital. कैपिटल फंड लिखेंगे, कैपिटल वर्ड यूज हम लोग नहीं करेंगे, राइट? सो लेट अस डिस्कस what next we will discuss the format. Okay class, we will discuss the format of your balance sheet. So let us discuss the format of your balance sheet. Just we will write few of the items like that you have to prepare. Okay, so there will be one idea for you how this will be prepared. Okay, format. You will write balance sheet. First you will write balance sheet. Balance sheet you will write as at, okay, whatever the date which we need to write, that we will write. Simple as usual. What you will write here? You will write here liabilities. Liabilities amount, assets, then amount, right? With the very first thing will be your capital fund. Okay, in the capital fund, whatever will be the capital fund, with that you will add surplus. Surplus will be added, or deficit will be subtracted. That is the first thing we should know. Deficit will be subtracted, and from this whatever will be the final outcome will be written over here. Then our next point will be whether any specific fund is given or not. So we will write specific fund. Okay, we will check whether any specific fund is given or not. Specific fund means, suppose you get one fund for, like, specific fund means building fund. Okay, what is this? That is your building fund. Next will be you can say your prize fund. Okay, prize fund. So these are the certain specific fund, right? With okay, then if suppose, then likewise it will go in the same manner, whatever the items which will come in the liabilities, that you have to write. Okay, then when you will when we will talk about assets, you will check from the receipt and payment account whether any this one cash balance is given or not, bank balance is given or not. Okay, and here it will appear the closing balance, because we are preparing the closing balance sheet. Okay, then whether any investment is done or not, you will check. Okay, whether any investment is done or not, furniture is there or not, furniture, if any depreciation is there, that will be subtracted, final answer will be written over here. So like that your balance sheet will be prepared. So not much I am writing in the balance sheet, because in the class 11th itself you know how to prepare the balance sheet, right class? So I hope these topics are very much clear to you. In the next class we will discuss some of the items which will appear in the income and expenditure account. Okay, till then watch these videos. If you are able to understand through my lectures, so like, share and subscribe with your friends. Okay students, thank you so much.